How to have animated notifications on Samsung. To have animated notifications on Samsung, simply open up settings on your Samsung device, then go to notifications. Then from here you can see various options. Go to advanced settings, and over here we want to simply search for edge lighting notifications. So from here, if we go to advanced settings, you can see floating notification. Currently it is showing bubbles. Otherwise, what you can do is we can go to notification pop-up style and we can turn on add lighting effect, and now we can choose what kind of effect we want. Whenever we are receiving a notification, we can choose different type of effects, or you can even choose some advanced effects if you'd like. And this way you should be able to basically choose a notification effect for yourself. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.